Hey everyone! Today is Sunday the 6th. Todd and I are getting ready to head out today because I am off of work and he is not going to work. So, we are going to go run. Honestly, we're going to stop by a dispensary and then we are going to head out to Mount Cheyenne to go hiking for the day because Todd has been looking forward to going hiking very, very much. So, we've been waiting for some days off.
If you're watching.
So, we're gonna head out there and yeah, I'm gonna try and remember to take my phone out of my pocket and bring you guys along with us. Alright, we just got done at Maggie's Farm, which is a dispensary, and we now have our goodies safely secured in the back of the car. And now we're gonna go try and find something for lunch today because I'm starving.
Very much so.
Starving.
Me too.
Tiny pit stop at home to drop things off so we're not carrying greenery around the city. Todd is getting our drinks. Got some KFC for lunch because it's right next to the house and it haunts me. Look at that. Like drop down so you can't see the city now.
Oh, sorry.
No, I mean you're driving. You gotta go.
Yeah.
I was just hoping you'd still be able to see the city from over here. I guess we can wander a little bit that way. I'm sure there's a trail that's over there too. Look at all
We are currently
these trails. All these trails. This is madness.
We are currently at Camp Services,
Which is like up here.
Up here, and then we're gonna walk down and we're gonna jump on some of these trails.
Cool.
We're gonna skip that Zook loop, basically,
and just do that big black.
do part of the big
more
black
one.
one, and we'll be coming across on the medicine wheel. Come back around, and then come over here. If you wanted to do Soaring Kestrel, if not, we could always just walk the road back up too.
I don't really want to walk the road back up.
We can also jump on Boulder Run and follow that, which is near the road, and bring us back to where we started here anyway.
Alrighty, we'll figure something out. I expect you to know where things are.
Okay.
Okay, awesome. It's all the city down there. We just got started on the trail, so it's not that interesting yet.
Not good. We're gonna hit Blackmore Loop.
And then we'll hit Blackmore Loop.
Well, when we hit Blackmore Loop, we're gonna make a left.
We're gonna take the left part of the fork and go down that way in the trees. What? And we are
here.
cool.
And this is where we turn down, start taking this path towards Medicine Wheel.
Cool.
Because we're not doing that full Blackmore Loop.
We're already getting a little winded.
I can do it, but
yeah,
I don't want to.
It's okay. Let's be real. I can't.
Yeah.
It's okay. I accept the limitations. It is a very tall dead tree. I'm trying to get to where I can record a little clip with it. Like, it's so tall compared to so many of the other ones, but he's like all dead. I bet there's still birds that live in it.
Oh yeah. You see little holes on the side.
Mm-hmm. Right now we're currently in like completely surrounded by the trees. But I like that one. There's the big dead boy. We're getting another angle from him now that we've looped around.
Yeah.
That we could look up. I bet you that area up there is where we were.
Yeah.
Hello, my friend. Let's go see. Get all that behind us.
Make sure to.
Yeah, I can't flip the camera. And here's our view.
From standing on a rock near the trail.
Yeah, we're on a giant rock. You know, I was looking down the whole time we were walking up, so I didn't even see us walking up to this giant rock.
Yeah.
As you can tell, we're a little bit out of breath.
Very much so.
That big rock over there is the big rock we were standing on for the last little clip.
Yep.
This hill is so like up and down and up and down. No, this trail is so up and down. But at least there's a nice breeze. So it's keeping us from melting too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. I keep hoping if I keep recording, like maybe there'll be something interesting over the next ridge.
Right.
It hasn't happened yet, but let's see. Ooh, there's lots of little prickly pears. Oh, I mean, it's a fairly pretty view. If I hold my camera above the oak brush stuff. Ooh, there's another little rock ledge. Oh wow, that's pretty.
I'm sure they're just seeing black.
Shh. Oh, that must be the like.
One of the services buildings.
Yeah, that what he said. So that down there is the rock we were standing on earlier. And now we are way up the mountain.
There's a hiker there.
No. Meh, not worried about catching other hikers.
Worried about catching animals.
We successfully made it back to the car in one piece. Honestly, it looks like we had pretty good timing for wrapping up our little hike, really, because it is starting to get fairly overcast.
Which means rain.
Which means rain. We don't want to be on the mountains when it's raining. So, gonna head towards home, get us some drinks on the way home. Let's see if we can find us a Sonic or something.
I know there's a Sonic near the Walmart.
They're doing like a cool thing with the park over here on our right. Oh look, there's that other little family we kept running into.
Yeah.
But yeah, headed home, headed to drinks, and to rest our poor little tootsies.
Yeah.
I might have found a distraction before we headed home. Fallout goodies.
I think I need this.
You think you might need the little Fallout, the Dweller outfit? Is that gonna be your boomstick? There it goes.
What is?
Hold. Oh no.
Yep. Does it work?
Well, I mean, his mouth is open.
Well, that doesn't work very well, does it?
Not really. It's like his mouth stays open.
Well, I guess I can't figure that out. Well, theoretics. Oh, nope, that's not. I see.
Okay, there we go. Now we got it. It's only vaguely creepy. Can you see out of it?
Barely.
Look at this. Look at how cute she is. She's a little coin bank. And a dead man's toe. Oh, yes, I love it. I love it. What are you? The ring of salt will protect you. And we got some Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's kind of creepy. A little creepy. Oh, with the little zero. Look at him. Babe. Look. Yes. That's cute. Oh, the little figure. That's cute. For the little Halloween town. We found another distraction on the way home, by the way, if you hadn't guessed. Oh my goodness, this creepy little carnival stuff is cute. Spooky fluff tree. I need more shelves in the apartment so I can have more things. So, it's several hours later on the same day. Todd and I have been home for a while. I cooked dinner. It was delicious.
It's time for ice cream.
Yes, yes it is. Ice cream achieved. Have a good night. I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I already have lots and lots of footage. So I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!